Kevin and Derek here with Kostoff and Company at Nova Home Loans, coming to you with a little coffee talk and some great news from our friends at the VA and FHA.
I know it's our news has been kind of rough lately, but after years and years and years of very high profits, the FHFA announced the other day that they're going to actually lower the mandatory monthly mortgage rates.
That is awesome news because FHA has an upfront mortgage insurance premium and VA loans have a loan guarantee premium to them. And those two numbers have been extremely high for our borrowers for many years now.
Right. So monthly mortgage on an FHA used to be a factor of 0.85% of the loan amount.
Right.
So for instance, on a $400,000 loan amount, you're looking at $283 extra payment a month, right? And that's if you put 3.5% down and yada yada. They've lowered that now to 0.55, which doesn't sound like a whole lot, but I'll tell you what, it drops that payment by $100 a month.
Woo!
I'll take $100 all day long.
Well, I think that is awesome news because the FHA, when they upped that mortgage insurance premium, actually kind of made that loan type kind of a poor man's tax because that's the only people that were using it.
Right.
Is
Folks,
if somebody that had bad credit.
That's right. Folks that had maybe a ding or two on the credit, a bankruptcy or something like that. So how do we make it more difficult for them to buy a house? Let's
make it more expensive.
That's exactly right. So that's nice to see. I mean, they're sitting on a bunch of money, so we've been talking about this for probably 2 years now. Nice to see they finally did something about it.
And of course, our favorite loans in the world, the VA loan. Love veterans loans because it is a true honor to do them.
That's right. They've got the upfront funding fee, which can be very pricey, right? Used to be 3.6% of the loan amount upfront. Now you could roll that into the loan, but you're still talking thousands of dollars, right?
And that's of course on a repeat client who's used their VA benefit before.
Right. They've dropped that from 3.6 to 3.3, which is great. If it's a first time use, they dropped it from 2.3 to 2.15, which is fantastic. I mean, it just makes me feel good when we're doing good thing for people that take care of us, right?
Yes.
They're in places taking care of us and putting themselves in harm's way. It's the least we can do to give them as big a benefit as possible when they come home.
If you have any questions about whether or not to use your VA benefit or if you qualify for a VA loan, give us a call. If you want to even use your FHA qualifications, give us a call here today. Kevin and Derek at Kostoff and Company.